Get ready, everybody.
Yeah, don't worry. Chicken.
Side. That's it. The wave dancer. They're joining in, doing these over the Greek dance right here on the wave dancer. This is how we do it. This is how we finish off in style. And that is official now. You're all members of the wave dancer family. Welcome.
Hello. How are you?
Yes, if you come this way.
I need to pay you also?
Yes, it's 57 euro.
You told me 54, right?
54 if you make your own, that's right.
Oh, yeah.
This is 54
Hello.
euros. This is an extra one. Right, from last night.
Yeah. I do the YouTube videos. If you
Yes.
want to say something about this trip.
Oh, I'm not one for television. I'm a bit shy.
So there is only this timing, or there is other timing also for this?
Right, there's other ones, but not now because we're at the end of the season now.
So when it will be?
I have an evening cruise. It's the later tonight. Only after that is just the half day.
What is the timing at night?
It's from 6 till 10.
6 till 10. Okay, alright. So you guys have two in a day? 11 to 4 and...
in the summertime, it's going to be other cruises. You've got from 10 till 4. You have an evening cruise. This is an adults only one. This is from 6 till 10.
Right.
Then you have sunset cruises. These are from 5 until
the price is the
9
same
o'clock.
for all?
No, it's all very different. If you take the brochure, then if you want to say anything about
Yeah,
the
you
trip,
gave me yesterday, so I have at home.
All right,
So-
that's okay.
Yeah, okay,
All right,
thank you
well,
so much.
do a video of the boat. It's to be much appreciated. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Have a
So
good
which
day.
way I can go?
Any way you like. You can go this way
Oh,
and get your
okay.
sunbed.
Alright,
Okay.
thank you so much.
Would you like to go this way upstairs?
तो भाई आप देख सकते हो ये इसका एंट्रेंस है बोट का सीढ़ियाँ ऊपर चढ़ गए सो आई एम इन द बोट नाउ हेलो तो भाई ये कुछ इस तरह से है व्यू इसका ये मैप तो भाई मैंने पे किए हैं 54 इसकी डिफरेंट टाइमिंग भी है 11 से शुरू होके बाद में मेरे ख्याल में 5 से 5 to 10 लाइक दैट डिफरेंट टाइमिंग ऑफ डिफरेंट स्टाफ तो चलें देखते हैं सो गाइस दिस इज़ रूफ टॉप आई मीन शेड कलर एरिया दिस इज़ द किचन बार एवरीथिंग So guys, it's look like this. तो भाई ये मरीना है मेरे ख्याल में ये कुछ इस तरह से है तो भाई शिप स्टार्ट हो चुका है 11:05 पे तो व्यू आप देख सकते हो मैं खड़ा हूँ टॉप पे इसके रूफ टॉप पे तो देखते हैं कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहता है ये अनटिल नाउ a nice experience. My new friend from UK, Wales, right? Wales. So bhai, it's a nice music. He's a good musician, I think. It's nice. I love it. I will use his music on my yeah, all the Cyprus trips where I like.